Hello and welcome to this short yoga flow that you can do any time of day and anywhere. No props are needed. We're going to start in your comfortable seated position, just ensuring that the sit bones are comfortable. And as we begin to come through to your comfortable seat, we're going to take a gentle circle spiral. So beginning to gauge how the body's feeling. We'll eventually begin to take our left hand down towards the earth, right hand onto the thigh, beginning to spiral the heart open. We can stay here. Maybe we lift that right arm, taking it over to the side. And take a little bit of dynamic movement here, letting that right hand drop, left hand beginning to rise. A gentle side stretch. We're going to go from one side to the other. Absolutely no rush or hurry, going in your own rhythm. The next time that we're on our left side, we're going to linger here. And taking a little bit of a dance with that right hand. So imagine the right hand coming forward and then back. Forward and back. And forward. We'll hold. Right hand might begin to come towards the back of the head, opening up the chest even more. We'll take that right hand up towards the sky. We're going to twist. Right hand coming onto that left limb. Left hand coming behind us. And left hand beginning to go off to the side and then up. And letting that right elbow come onto the forearm. Beginning to release the left arm. Right hand beginning to go down towards the earth, sweeping that left arm up. And again, we'll take it forward and back. Forward and back. And back. Once we get here, back of the hand, fingertips. Left hand rising. We'll take it towards that right knee as we begin to twist. Right hand beginning to go up. Left elbow under our lap. And we'll gently begin to release as we arrive here. Begin to come onto all fours, hands and knees. And as we come onto all fours, taking a gentle little shift and drift. Beginning to tuck our toes. From here, lifting the knees, taking the sit bones up and back. And taking a gentle pedal, heavily bending one knee and then the other. And as you explore the bending of the knees, you might heavily bend that left knee, taking that right arm up, taking a bit of a half cactus. And back down, continuing to pedal. Heavily bending that right knee, left hand beginning to lift. And pedal. Beginning to come up onto the balls of the feet, shifting the weight into our hands to a plank-like pose. And then downward dog. Rippling up onto the balls of the feet. And back. One more time, rippling on the balls of the feet. To plank. Downward dog. We'll begin to shift our weight into that left foot, taking our right heel, three-legged. We're going to casually begin to bring that right knee in towards our nose and then between our hands. Initially a low lunge, releasing that left knee. We'll begin to Tap that right foot coming into a sprinter's or runner's lunge. And then back. Having a little bit of a play here. Walking the hands forward. Straightening the right leg. Right foot coming back to the earth. We're going to tuck our back toe, lifting that back knee, runner's lunge. Pressing to the right foot as we rise. As we rise, we'll straighten that right leg. Softening the right knee, letting the hands drip down. We'll inhale, lifting. Exhale, soften. One more time, inhaling. Exhale. We'll begin to take the hands down, walking the hands a little bit further forward. We're going to begin to tap our left foot. We can stay, maybe we lift, coming in 90-ish degrees. Maybe you're standing splits. That left heel might go all the way up. And eventually softening that right knee, left foot coming to meet the right, forward fold. Take a gentle sway here. Pressing the feet, we'll sweep the arms up, taking a cactus. Arms beginning to rise, soften and fold all the way down. We'll begin to walk the hands forward as we walk the legs back, downward dog. Coming up onto the balls of the feet, shifting the weight into our hands, plank, and then dog. Weight coming into that right foot. We'll begin to lift our left heel. Bend in the knee and towards the nose, taking that left foot between the hands. Dripping the right knee down, low lunge. Beginning to lift that left foot, taking a bit of a sprinter's. Left foot coming back, we'll press, taking the arms up. And release down, tucking our right toe, lifting that right knee. Pressing into that left foot, we'll come up. Straightening that left leg. As we exhale, soften, letting the hands drip. Inhaling. And exhale. Inhaling up. Exhaling, we'll begin to release the hands down. Beginning to tap that right foot. Again, we can stay. Maybe we float. Maybe our standing splits. Softening that left knee, we'll begin to bring our right foot to meet the left. Pressing to the earth, we'll take the arms up. And cactus. Arms beginning to rise. We'll begin to release our hands down by our side. Imagine along the side, deep pretend pockets are interlacing, opening up the chest. Softening the knees will hinge. Letting the fingertips come to the lower back, sliding the hands all the way down. We'll take a halfway, hands to thighs, shins, maybe peace fingers. And soften and fold. Walking the hands forward as we take our legs back, downward dog. We'll take 3 ripples, coming up onto the balls of the feet, shifting the weight to our hands. And downward dog. Rippling onto the balls of the feet. Plank. And dog. Final round, balls of the feet, shifting the weight. Taking a gentle sway here. And then our downward dog. Gently dripping the knees down. Right leg going behind us, half tiger, we can stay. Left hand coming forward, maybe we lift and float. Left hand, right knee. We'll begin to shift into that right side as we take our left leg behind us. Right hand coming forward again. We can stay in contact with the earth. We might float. And release the right hand, left knee. Tucking our toes. We'll begin to come onto the knees, pressing the earth away to a toe balance. Hands coming onto the thighs. Way down by our side. Now we can take choices. Maybe take deep pretend pockets, interlacing the hands, opening up the chest. We'll gently begin to release. Hands coming back down, releasing the knees. Untucking the toes, we'll come to kneeling for a moment. And we can take the arms up. Left hand grabbing our right, we'll tilt. Come through, right hand grabbing the left. Through, circling the wrists all the way down. We'll then begin to bring our hands together at the heart, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for just carving out a little bit of time for investing in your practice and your well-being. I hope you have a very blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.